Go ahead.
If you want this choice position, no, wanted a nanny for 2 adorable children. If you want this choice position, have a cheery disposition. Rosy cheeks, no warts, play games, all sorts. You must be kind, you must be witty, very sweet and fairly pretty. Take a sun note and give us sweet
Sing songs.
bring sweet. Never be cross or glue, never give us castor oil or glue. Love us as a son and daughter, and never smell the holy water.
If you won't scold and
Terminators, we'll never give you cause to hate us. We won't have the spectacles and you won't see with toads in your bed or pepper in your tea. Hurry, nanny, many things and Fanny, Jane and Michael,